Are you looking for integrated and easy-to-use software to automate your facility operations? Increase staff productivity and up-to-date assets records? Improving customer satisfaction and reducing your operational costs? Introducing ServeDeck, an all-in-one digital solution. ServeDeck is a cloud-based smart solution designed to significantly improve the organizational efficiency of facility operations and management of commercial buildings, malls, hotels, hospitals, universities, and retail stores. ServeDeck comprehensive facility management suite includes automate work order processes with configurable service level agreements, digitalize maintenance tasks with digital checklists, pre-scheduling, assignment, and status, manage all assets history and inventories records easily and accurately, monitor vendors' deliveries effectively, organize contracts and compliance systematically, easily schedule staff and contractors' assignments and attendance, automate the approval processes of budget requests and requisition processes, easily tracked and monitored tenants' request forms and approvals. A cardless safety solution for staff, tenants, and visitors. Integration ready with IoT meters and sensors for real-time monitoring, auto-escalation, and issue detection. An all-in-one dashboard to make smart and data-driven decisions. To find out more, visit our website www.servedeck.com to schedule a demo with us.